So, you already have your car wrapped and it looks amazing. But there's one question. Is it insured with your insurance company? From small scratches and dings to major repairs. The question is, will your insurance company cover this and your wrap? The answer is, yes, they'll insure your vehicle and making sure that it gets back in the right shape. But if you address it correctly, they can insure wrapping your vehicle over.
Now, have you subscribed to our channel? Because if not, you're missing out on key tips that we're going to provide almost every week. So go ahead and subscribe now.
I know you have a lot of questions on how to get your vinyl wrap insured. And I'm here to break down each and every step of it too, and show you how to properly do it the right way so you don't have to do it on the back end. I know you was probably asking, well, what about tint? Nah, they don't insure tint. The first thing you gotta do is go ahead and call your insurance provider, because you need to inform them and let them know so that way they can tell you the different types of coverages that may be provided. And be clear, because not all insurance providers are going to cover your wrap. But once you have contacted your insurance provider, then they can inform you on different types of coverage. And like I said, these coverages can range anywhere from $2 to $5 a month added onto your original plan. And we all know that not all insurance providers are the same. They don't even provide the same coverages. So check before you even get your car wrapped, so therefore you're not mad in the long run. You need to go ahead and provide your insurance company with the right information, such as the type of wrap, the cost of the wrap, and also the value that it brings to your vehicle. And also let them know that this is not a bumper sticker. It's meant to actually protect their car. So therefore they know that it's a better investment for your vehicle to be insured with the wrap. So make sure you're dealing with a legit wrap company, not your cousin's little shop in the garage that doesn't even provide a real invoice. Because that is not gonna work. And yes, we know that certain wraps cost upwards of 10 grand. And that's for custom colors and everything like that. Some of the wraps that other people have may go at the 2,500 range. But it really gets pricey because sometimes you wrap not only the whole car, but chrome deletes, wheels, and even headlight/taillight tint. So be sure to get a legit quote and not something that is just, hey, we cool with 1,500? So do it the right way, because I know you want your baby bag looking just the way that you got it, freshly wrapped and on time. Now, once you've talked it over with your insurance agency, then you can determine what is the right coverage for you. So this may mean that you may need to adjust your policy so that way you can have an endorsement for the wrap. Just ask them. They'll know what I mean. Some companies will only endorse it for a certain amount of monetary value, such as maybe $1,000. Some may do it for the full amount. But keep in mind, your wrap can still be insured, and that is the main goal right there. So keep that going and make sure that all of your paperwork is correct. And what do I mean by paperwork? That means anything from your original policy that you had, to even the new policy that you're trying to get, to make sure that everything is still covered from the original policy that you had, but just adding on the wrap to it. And your insurance agent will be beneficial and help you every step of the way to email you and also mail you if you wanted hard copies. I don't think they even provide those anymore, but they can still provide you with all of that. So therefore you can look over everything and make sure that everything is covered that you need. Make sure you review your policy to make sure all the specifics that you actually require, and if there's more that you need to add to it, is added at this time. Because if you keep going back and forth and saying, hey, can you add this? Can you change this? I thought this was changed on this. That insurance may increase on you, and it may be something that you really don't want. So double check it first, make sure and just review everything. The fine details is always what makes it worth it. And the last step is to review all of this and confirm it. And that way, once everything is signed off, you're good to go. And you know that your vehicle and the wrap is covered. Now that you have everything covered, or if you don't, this is the time that you may need to switch to a different insurance provider, because you want to make sure that everything that you have is covered wrap-wise, even if it's PPF. Paint protection film is what I'm referring to. Now that you know everything that you need to understand about having your vehicle insured with the wrap, here is a few different companies that scam, and they're just really not companies, but the scammers that are in car wrapping. Do not believe everything that you see, especially when you think you're about to get paid for a wrap being put on your vehicle. Take a look at this and you'll understand exactly what I mean.